2025 Land Rover Defender D350. That is a fabulous engine. 110 in Santorini black, full bespoke exterior body kit, wheels, canards. Then it's got cloud on an interior, so it's just a beautiful interior, the best engine, and then something that looks particularly nice. It's got adaptive air suspension as well, larger screen, 3 litre diesel, 350 brake horsepower, 4,000 miles. This is going to sell. Every time we've had something with cloud on the inside, very, very desirable, and it sells. Bespoke styling. So look at the front, it's very aggressive, isn't it? You've got wide arches into them under canards, full black exterior, black pack, the badging across the central sections of the grille. Then the big wide arches carry round. You've got pod lights, you've got side air intakes in gloss black. Again, on the top of the bonnet vents, 22-inch wheels, mud flaps, privacy glass. Then you've got the beautiful light cloud, side steps. And then as we move to the rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, clear lights at the back. Again, look at that. So if I just open it up again, you'll see them. So it looks really well at the back. Full colour coded in the back bumper, in gloss black. And then if I just open up the boot to show you, massive boot space. You know, Defender 110s are popular because one of the big aspects is the space. Big boot, lots of space in the cabin. Then you've got adaptive air suspension, which again, big extra. This car's a D350S, but having the air suspension, which is a £2,000 option, makes a massive difference to how the car performs. Certainly with it having the 350 brake horsepower diesel engine. I'll start in the back first. Cloud interior. The car's done just over 4,000 miles, so it is beautiful. Beautiful throughout. And cloud is something that is new because you could never put cloud in a Defender. It was only seen in a Range Rover Sport, where now they're given the option to put it in the Defenders and they're starting to come through. Meridian Sound system, which again is a great feature. Adaptive cruise control, larger screen. It's a facelift model, so you've got the new central section, central armrest, wireless charging, the cup holders in there. And then if I just start the car up, yeah, it's lovely. Other features. So we spoke about air suspension. You've got heated seats. You've got front and rear heated screens. Everything on this system is superb. So, you know, the camera system on the Defenders is right up to date. You can see full 3D surround camera system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, multimedia, driver assistance, all the things you would want. I just think it looks great from the outside, but having this interior just makes it that little bit nicer. It's going to go live. It's got Land Rover warranty till 2028, with it being registered in January 25. Just over 4,000 miles. Fabulous bespoke D350 with air suspension Defender 110.